Sinati bata sa Espiritu sa Ginoo. Amen. Amen. Salamat pag-amputa. Ngano? Let me read to you. May nabasa kong labi kayo. When we are birthed into this Adamic realm of life as mortal being, we do not know anything about ourselves, about God, or whatever. Murag, what na mag-eskwela? Wala nyo eh. Why wawot? Because we don't know, we take on the Adamic realm of life. Kaya kung ang tao wala yung hinabalo, he take on the Adamic realm of life, which is human, carnal, fleshly, conscious, limited consciousness. So mga klase sa wala yung kabalo. Apan kita, when we got born again, or experience regeneration, when we are birth of God, for sin, on the account of sin, condemn sin in the flesh. Why? Gihimo na ni Jesus, di ba? Sabi ni Rabbi kanina, tanang gihimo ni Jesus, pwede na nato. Why? Why did Jesus did that? That the righteous requirements of the law may be fulfilled in us, who do not walk according to the flesh, but according to the Spirit. Those who live according to the flesh set their minds on the things of the flesh. Those who live according to the Spirit, set the minds on the spiritual things. Carnal, advocate niya po sa mga inner man, carnal man. Sige na lang exalti. Kaya ang tao, ignorante diha, di man kasi wala kabalo. Do you know what is carnal? If a person is governed by the flesh, ganyan natin sabihin, unod, lawas nun kalibutan. If you are governed by that flesh, then if a person is governed by that, what you call him? He's a carnal. A Christian could be carnal. Ibig sabihin, a Christian. Pero baby na, ang tawag sa Bible, carnal Christians are baby.
Atong anniversary di ba to Saturday in the afternoon. So we decided to make it Sunday afternoon instead of Saturday. Okay? So it will be on July 27 in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? So please be guided according to the same venue. And that's it. Ikaw lang din lain-lain. Ang venue ang din sa Central School, kana ilang gym din na. Okay? So, anything else? No. Wala na. So, kung wala na, nice na. I would suggest na ang church mag-andam og gamay nga food, but it is better if you can bring some. Okay? Anything that you can bring, saging, kamuti, just to, dili, pang dinner na ni. So, kadala mo bumba, okay na nga po. Kadala mo nabihang manok, okay nga po. Ato sa Central School. Wala na, wala service sa buntag. Alas 3 na sa hapon.
Pero mga 9 o'clock, magsugod na.
Maghapon na. Okay? So, we would like to encourage, if you can bring food, the better. We will highly appreciate if you can. Okay? Amen? I don't know how many kabisita. Na ako ibitahon mga pastor naman po. O gamay naman po. Dapat magsusuod ako na ako ang ibitahon. So, paano lang ka ng pag-prepare ng galaman tao, extra. We don't know to change Ito na, makiniuban mo kay Balo. Ano nga, mapod. Okay, but so far, so kanta nag-celebrate mo, pupunta na share ng pagkaon. Amen? Okay, so please remain for the snacks.
Dress! Kami nga may borrow my dress.
Oh. Abot.
Daddy, oh.
Oh, siya pa po.
Kuha!
Di anak ko.
Bro, nana ka bro?
Ay, kaya mong yaw-yaw ka.
Makasih pati ba? Masarap yan.
Kerap.
Ha? Cute na cute ka na. Di na kayo, kuha na. Na-maintain na imong lawas. Ha? Sexy.